In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pay a bill using Chase Bill Pay. To access Chase Bill Pay, sign in on your Chase Online account or open the Chase mobile app, navigate to and transfer, or tap the $sign with the bottom of the app. Select Pay Bills or Pay Bills and send money with Zelle. Then you want to add a payee if not already added. Click on Add Recipient or Add a Payee. Search for the company you want to pay or select Add manually if not found. Enter the payee's information, including the name, account number, and address. Confirm the payee's details and save. Then schedule a payment. From the list of payees, select the one you want to pay. Select the payment amount, choose the account you want to pay from, and select the payment date. Add a memo if desired. For reoccurring payments, check the box for Setup Automatic Payment and choose the frequency. Then you want to confirm and submit the payment, so review all payment details to ensure accuracy. Then click Schedule Payment or Pay this bill to confirm. You'll receive a confirmation of your scheduled payment. Remember, electronic payments typically process within 1 to 2 business days, while paper check payments may take up to 5 to 7 business days. Always schedule your payments accordingly to ensure they arrive on time. If this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials, and goodbye.